Mapachkainde koroni to chiwo chik mager ne city manager ma county ma Kisumu Abala Wanga mondo mi onyal chopo e nyim doho mar mondo mi onyal dadhoge kotenore koda weche ko mag mibadhi ma koroni to sebedo ka imiene godo. E kinde mane gichiwo chik makamano bende kone giwacho ni ponono Abala Wanga biro buono chik doho makamano to koroni to gibiro kao chik e lwetgi owuon mar timo ne apedha mondo mi ginyal dhiye kendo chope e nyim doho.
Trying to move the court to believe that it is the accused person stalling plea taking, and the last three records, adjournment has been at the request of the DPP. The last three attendants, including the last one when you appeared before you, adjournment has been at the request of the DPP because they were ostensibly revealing the charges. That factual position, so it would be unfair that today Mr. Mohammed is now shifting the blame just to be able to press for plea taking to happen and then to press for warrant of arrest. Lastly, on the medical report, Your Honor, the reason why we supply medical reports is to show prima facie evidence, prima facie ex facie evidence that the suspect is away from court for medical reasons. Secondly, the reason why we certify these reports, and even the ones I've placed before court are certified as true copies of the original, is to demonstrate the seriousness and the authenticity of those reports.
2026. On that report, Your Honor.
25th of April 2026.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes. On that report, Your Honor, it was indicated that the accused reasons for consultation, Your Honor, is
The medical report was dated 25th
of February 2026. Yes, Your Honor.